Lero nigo Brian Mukaya hatiani gwa hamna omo MCA omoiya omochore imeye wodi ya Nyamira uyo nyakabaga kwira libaga lia Dennis Machungo uyu orenge omo MCA omochore gwetirate kia magia ODM molikito fatikari Gisemba nigatole ne robot rwa senchira yabwekirana
Ebunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo asibikaro bya rero mambya pamutiania Brian Mukaya kuna omo MCA omochore wikia makia ODM.
I, Brian Mukaya, shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly Member at Nyamira County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the same office to the best of my judgment.
Aya nigo agokorekana maiga yekigambiro kya Nyamira gutugutirare ogochorwa kwa Dickson Machungo ucha ase bunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira asikiria buna nigo aitanitie emiaka.
Number 3, name Brian Opande Mukaya, gender male, ID number ending with 380, special interest youth, name of party Orange Democratic Movement, seat allocated 1, signed by Erastus Edan Etakon, chairperson Independent Electoral and Boundary Review.
Maiga yogochorwa ukukwa Brian Mukaya puna omo MCA omochore nigo akwanire enkwana ejeiga.
I take this opportunity to thank God for this far He has brought me. It's a great journey. I know it's difficult to be here, but honestly I thank God. Secondly, I thank the party, that's ODM, for having this opportunity to nominate me as the youth MCA to this assembly. As well, I want to promise this assembly that I will represent the youth as much as possible.
Chingaki echecho nigo aba MCA bebunge ye kaunti eyo paira chingaki chiga na kumwariganya asibikaro bebunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira.
I wish to inform you that these honorable members are very welcoming. You consult with them, you consult with those people to make sure that your new ideas you are now fresh, to inject into this honorable house to make sure that we deliver our mandate to the people of the great county of Nyamira.
We believe the assembly will be vibrant. He will contribute in matters that affect youth in this assembly, and that will help us, some of our members who are slightly older, to understand the issues that are affecting youth.
Kingo ripota Gatembe kurase bunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira eye kutoka imeya ward ya Township West Mugirango Jeff Fatikad Gisemba.